thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Pierce County, Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 1:45 a.m. At 1:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elmwood, or 17 miles west of Menominee, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Menominee around 1:20 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Elk Mound. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm